Senior Lingayat leader and Karnataka seer Siddheshwar Swamiji passed away at the age of 81 yesterday. The Karnataka seer was suffering from various ailments but had refused to take treatment other than pain relief. He was known for his scholarly discourses and powerful oratory skills. Several prominent leaders, including PM Narendra Modi, has expressed grief at his demise. PM Modi announced the demise of Siddheshwar Swamiji on Twitter. He tweeted, Param Pujya Sri Siddheshwar Swamiji will be remembered for his outstanding service to society. He worked tirelessly for the betterment of others and was also respected for his scholarly zeal. In this hour of grief, my thoughts are with his countless devotees. In this video, we take a look at the spiritual journey of Siddheshwar Swamiji. Sri Siddheshwar Swamiji was born in 1952 in Vijaypura, Karnataka. He was referred as the walking god of North Karnataka. After completing his 4th grade year of school in his hometown, he visited Mallikarjun Swamiji. Under the direction of Sri Mallikarjun Swamiji, he wrote the book Principal Shiromani at the age of 19. Siddheshwar Swamiji completed his academic work at the college while also engaging in his spiritual practice. He completed an MA in philosophy at Kolhapur University after earning his degree from the University of Karnataka. He had founded the Gyan Yogaram at Vijaypura, Karnataka. Gyan Yogi Sri Siddheshwar Swamiji had been giving pravachans in Kannada, English and Marathi for more than 50 years. A good number of these pravachans have been made into books. Being widely travelled, both in India and across the world, Swamiji had a very wide knowledge of spiritual traditions from many parts of the country and the world. He was known for his uncanny ability to present the most complex philosophical matters in the simplest of language that can be understood by all. Continuing the tradition of his guru Sri Mallikarjun Swamiji, he travelled to various villages and towns across Karnataka and Maharashtra and even to other countries in order to share the divine knowledge with one and all. In the last few decades, Swamiji had written several books on Upanishads, Gita, Sharan philosophy and general spirituality. Some of his major works are Siddhant Sikhamani, Alam Prabhu's Vachan Nirvachan, Bhagavad Chintan. He had also written the following books in English: God, World and Soul, Patanjali Yoga Sutras, Narad Bhakti Sutra and Shiva Sutra. In 2018, Siddheshwar Swamiji had written to PM Modi refusing to accept the Padma Shri award which was conferred upon him. I don't need titles. I am a sannyasi. Siddheshwar's letter had read.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.